So we have put together a playlist to guide you through accessing and utilizing the Gale databases. The other videos in this series will take you through how to find relevant articles, how to use Gale to annotate and to take notes on any article you find, and lots of other useful tips that will help you maximize your productivity and really help the research process progress smoothly. But this first video is simply to show you how to log on to the site. So right now I am on the Colony High School Library homepage. And once you're here, there are a couple of ways that you can access the Gale databases. The first way would be to scroll down and on the left-hand side underneath Quick Links, just click on Gale databases. The second way would be to go to the top and click on the tab that says Resources and Tutorials. And wait. And then our first option is actually Gale databases as well. So I'm going to click on that one, and it's going to take me to this password protected site. Usually there's a password protected site here. It is not in the video. That's probably because I'm already logged on. But the password is going to be our mascot with an S at the end. So the plural version of our mascot, and it's all lowercase letters. So if you need help with that, ask your teacher or the teacher librarian. And once you're logged on, it will bring you to this page. And as you can see, we have a lot of options for you. We have our Gale ebooks. We don't have that many here, but we do have some ebooks. We have Gale in Context Opposing Viewpoints. So this database is going to be the database you would choose when you're researching something a little more controversial, something that is debatable. This database will give you the pros and cons for a specific issue and link to articles that are related to that topic. We have Gale in Context for Science. This will be a science-specific database I would use in your biology, chemistry, physics classes. And we have Gale in Context High School. This one is our most popular one. It is the one that is most used, and it gives a lot of general information about a topic. We also have Power Search. So at the very top, you can see this search bar where it says find. You can type in a term there, and it will actually search all of the databases at one time. So I'm going to take you into one of the databases instead of doing the Power Search, just so that you can see what the databases look like. So I'm going to click on Gale in Context High School because that is the one that's most used at our school. And when you use this, you would obviously just click on the database that you feel most matches your search requirements, but I'm just doing this as a sample because once you feel comfortable with one of the databases, they're all set up the same. So the next video in this series will take you through selecting a topic and searching the database.